science is a blend of computer science, mathematics, and statistics. The core aim of our program is problem solving. So we have students doing data science and politics, students doing data science and biology, students doing data science and psychology, and students doing data science and mathematics. So as such, the core aim of our program is problem solving. The lab becomes an integral part when it comes to problem solving in the domain of data science. Most of our courses have an explicit lab component. The curriculum starts with a course called Python for Data Science, where students learn about the fundamentals of Python programming language, data structures in Python, object-oriented programming in Python, and libraries such as NumPy, SciPy, etc. And the lab is very helpful for students to get a hands-on training and practical experience. And we also have other courses in the data science curriculum, for example, Intro to Data Science, where students play a bit of formal modeling where the lab is very important. And when students reach their third year and towards the end of the second year, they do advanced courses such as statistical learning and deep learning, where the lab is quite important. The lab is quite helpful for most machine learning and light deep learning tasks. For tasks involving heavy deep learning, we have a high performance computing cluster where students can get access to the cluster remotely and perform some advanced computing tasks.
I chose data science at Krea because I wanted to develop strong analytical and programming skills that will help me down the line in my career in quantitative finance. The data science major at Krea is a perfect blend of theory and practicals. So we learn everything from mathematics and statistics to computation. It gives you plenty of exposure to Python, machine learning, data visualization.
Data science at Krea has allowed me to explore aspects such as research, which interest me, stuff in the new generation like generative AI. I am very passionate about understanding and applying generative AI in tasks that interest me. And data science at Krea has allowed me to explore such opportunities and given me the freedom to make mistakes and learn. In my last internship, I worked on a team working very closely with artificial intelligence, and I was allowed to work with large data sets and working on prediction algorithms. I was also working with audio recognition and image recognition models that allowed me to broaden my scope of what is possible with data science.
Our program is multifaceted in the sense that we impart not only theoretical fundamentals, we also go on to the practical and application-oriented component. And more importantly, we also focus on the domain knowledge, taking advantage of the other disciplines here at Krea. Domain knowledge is one of the unique features of the data science program at Krea. For example, as I mentioned earlier, students use the theoretical fundamentals and practical tools to solve programs in biology, politics, mathematics, and social sciences. And it is this domain knowledge that separates our program from the other programs in the country. Right? And the lab can be used for doing multiple capstone projects. For example, one of my students is working on disease phenotype prediction using graph neural networks. And for that, he uses a large data set and represents them using graphs. And then he employs graph-based machine learning models such as graph neural networks and graph attention networks to make some prediction on the phenotype of the individual. And after the machine learning model or the AI model has made a prediction, he works on explainable AI methods to understand why an AI model makes such a prediction. And as such, the lab is quite important for his project and projects like this, or for anyone who wants to work at the intersection of computing and data.